No, thank you.
Hey, dude, I got you presents.
Who's this, Bee?
PuppyCat! Where did you find a leather jacket? Why don't you go put that back? I don't like telling people what to do.
Who wants to make a million babies with me? Who wants to make a million babies with me? Who wants to make a million babies with me?
There you are. Oh, cool. Asakeda. They are so cute. Go get your helmet. Let's go to the grocery store. But you look so cute in it.
Ham sorry. Stop. Don't tell me what to do. Wow. Pretty public. I love you.
After you, milady. Why are you walking like that?
Can I borrow your pet?
I don't have a puppy cat? Sure.
Some.
Let me just... I'll be right back.
Soft, also fat. I'm so lonesome.
No time! Give me my gum!
And what is your sidekick called?
Let me choose, PuppyCat, please! It's my birthday!
Barf! A true heroic name.
Cardamom, are you sick?
Popsicle cleavage? Hot dog cleavage? Ice cream cleavage?
Oh, hey, I've got an extra napkin. Do you want it?
Stay here. Kiss each other. Go on a date.
PuppyCat, can you pass me those... Well, that's not what we wanted, but that's okay. We can work with this. That's okay. We can work with this.
Homie.
Doggy! So cute. No hitting!
No, thank you.
Or I could get you a blanket.
No, thanks.
Or some echinacea.
Echinacea.
It's always so nice running into you. Me, I've got some fried rice today, using up some of the leftovers.
So cold, PuppyCat. So cold. Like a monster in winter.
special fun.
Can you say that more birthday-y? Wow. I didn't think you'd do that. This one. Where is my gum? I haven't paid rent on time in forever. Cardamon is gonna be so excited. Oh, can you get down the stairs? Come on, you can do it, come on. You gonna keep trying? Very impressive. But... Yeah, cool.
What? No cleavage.
Come down.
Are you hungry? Hi, Wallace. What's wrong?
I miss my mama. She's been gone forever.
Aww.
We sip, we cook, love, go.
Well, he looks like a cat, I guess. But like, smell.
Whoa, dog smell.
I think I'm gonna use my money to get Deckard a casserole since he bought me a casserole. What you using your money for? Oh, ignoring me again? Fine. I liked your fairy tale, puppy cat. If you want, I can help you figure out a nice ending.